like I've been crying, which I promise I haven't. I just did like a whole face of makeup and then decided that I wanted to deep clean the house. So I just scrubbed it all off again and put some moisturiser on instead, and now my eyes hate me for it, but there we go. Good morning guys, I really hope that you're doing well today. I've decided that I need to deep clean my whole house, as you can see from the background. And the title of today's video, I am doing a whole house deep clean. I have definitely got my work cut out for me today, but it needs doing. So I don't know if I'm going to get this done in a day or if it's going to be over a few days. But this video is going to be packed full of cleaning motivation. So if you like that type of video, do stick around until the end. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight on into it.
How I tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that you do. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my pants, now I'm all
Guys, I would say that it's the next day, but it's over a week later. Literally over a week later. But we are carrying on today. We're going to do upstairs. I need to do the bunny room so badly. It needs just a big hoover and a clean. So we're going to do that together because I don't think I've ever done the bunny's room on camera, so we'll see how that goes. I know that it can be a little bit awkward with the space and filming, but I'll give it a go. I know you guys love seeing the bunnies, so I need to do that. I need to change the bed, dust, hoover the bedroom and the dressing room as well. And I'm actually thinking of leaving, sorry if you can hear Max is literally eating his chew like right next to me, but yeah, I'm thinking of leaving both the bathrooms for a separate video all on their own, because I don't want to have to like rush them and only give them a quick go over so the video's not too long. I want to be able to like give them a good deep clean, but I think that'll be a video all of its own. So I'm not going to be doing the bathrooms today. I'm just going to be doing basically everything else. So yeah, I'm going to finish my coffee, get the energy I need, and we can carry on cleaning upstairs. So I'm so gutted right now. I can't get the hoover to work. Like, it's just not sucking, which is the whole purpose of a hoover. Like, it's just not doing what it needs to do. So I can't do the bunny room at the moment. So Rob's going to fix the hoover when he gets in, and I'll probably do it tomorrow. So I'm thinking of adding this room into my weekly vlog because I know you guys want to see the buns. I get comments all the time. But yeah, I'm just not going to be able to do it in today's video. So I think I'm just going to, like I say, add that into the weekly vlog at the end of the week so you can still see the buns and what their room looks like afterwards. Honestly, it's an absolute state in there at the minute. So it definitely needs doing. But then when we come over here, look how bad this room is. Like, I don't know why it constantly looks like this. Like, I don't know what I do, but yeah, it is like this all the time. So I am gonna quickly whiz round, basically put everything where it belongs, and yeah, just get this room looking a little bit better.
My oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, My, oh my. My,